Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a get it all done. I have a ton of Amazon packages coming in because Layton starts her dance competition season and like we needed a bunch of like travel stuff and we just needed like a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna be organizing, going through all that. I need to go to the grocery store. We have the dishwasher to get empty, just like a bunch of random stuff that I need to get done around the house. It is Wednesday, February 22nd, I believe. It is February vacation, so kids are home, crazy as can be, so it's gonna be a loud one. I'll have to find some good music to put in the background here because they've been very, very loud this morning. So I already made my grocery list, so I put a little clip of how I do that in this video. Just kind of going through everything. It's nothing like revolutionary, just making sure I go through my fridge, freezer, and pantry, and then just fill in everything else that I need. So I'll add that in next, and then we'll share a grocery haul. We'll put everything away. We're gonna be making nachos for dinner, and like I said, just some random stuff. I have some laundry to do, laundry to put away, all those Amazon packages. I just started the dishwasher. I need to tidy up my bedroom. It's very dusty. I don't know why. I like rubbed my hand over this today and it's like super dusty. So just some random cleaning and like general picking up. So I hope you guys enjoy this get it all done. If you are new, make sure you guys subscribe and let's get started.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your...
Alright, so this is my list so far. Like I said, I don't need a ton of stuff, but definitely enough to kind of fill in. Like we need some breakfast stuff, we need eggs, egg whites, we need a few snacks, some seasonings, some produce, coffee creamer, some meat. I don't know why I wrote chicken and potatoes together, but and some orange juice. So I haven't decided yet where I want to go. I need to get my mom some stuff too. I'm headed to my parents' house to visit in a little bit. So I haven't decided if I'm gonna go to Aldi or where I am gonna go, but I will try to take you guys along with me. All right, it is several hours later. And what is this? All of my Amazon, not all of them, this is a ton of them, but look at my Amazon collection. We're gonna open a little bit, but I'm gonna share with you just the small grocery haul that I got, just a few things, like I said, just to hold us over until like I do a big grocery shopping, which I need to do a BJ's trip soon. But this is everything I got just to hold us over. So I got 2 avocados. It is 3 o'clock and I have not eaten lunch yet, so I'm either gonna down a protein shake or make a piece of avocado toast. I haven't decided. I got some more cream cheese for bagels. I got some Greek yogurt for Layton, my coffee creamer and my coffee, 2 pounds of strawberries. We're making nachos for dinner, so I'm gonna make like ground beef, and I have sour cream and chips and all that stuff, obviously, because we're having nachos. But I figured I would get this. I used to love this. I haven't had it in years. Totally not good for you, but I figured we would get this and have that with it. The kids can try it. I got this dressing. It is delicious if you've never had it. Red grapes, green grapes, and I got 2 things of baby potatoes. So they would buy one, get one free. So I grabbed 2 of those. We got Girl Scout cookies from my neighbor. So good. So I'm gonna get all of this washed up and put away, and then we're going to open all of these packages. All right, this is what I decided on. A cheese stick and a protein shake. So now I'm going to get all of the produce washed. I also need to empty the dishwasher, and then we're gonna open all the packages.
Dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking. You'll swear you're falling into me. Touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
All right, dishwasher is done. Produce is soaking. If you do not soak your fruit in white vinegar and cold water for like a while, let it soak, clean it off really good, lay it out on your counter. It helps keep it so long. And then I go through any berries, like, I don't know what that spot is. That's just like junk. It's not yucky, but if there's anything that's even remotely close, I pull it out and I'll salvage it if I can, but I don't put it in with anything else. Like, I am very picky, and it helps keep all of your produce lasting so much longer. So while this soaks, like I leave it for like a good 20 minutes, and I kind of mix it all around to make sure everything gets good and soaked. I'm gonna do that, finish my protein shake, and then we are going to start on the Amazon packages. Kevin's on his way home, so we're gonna hide all the millions of packages. I'm just kidding, he doesn't care. I bought these a while back. They're just little, like, hi Macy, go lay down. I know, go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down. They're just little like travel bags. So I got one for me and one for Layton. So we're also gonna pack those and make sure we have all our stuff that we need for competitions, because that is coming up. So let's see. Oh, I ordered a bathing suit that I forgot about. I have the same one in pink, and it's high-waisted. It's super cute. I got it on Amazon, so I forgot about that. It was one of those like deals, so it didn't come right away, so I forgot about it. But most of the stuff, and I have more stuff coming in like 2 days. This is a hair wax stick, because Layton has to have like her hair in a low bun, like slicked back. So I got that. I chose the option too, because I ordered so many things. Like there was like 15 things in my cart, to have it all come like together, and it did not happen, because there's like 7 boxes here. I mean, this is only half the stuff. So Layton has, I forget what you call it. It's like a dance bag, and it has like the pop-up, like coat rack to hang all the costumes and stuff. Oh, how stinking cute are these? So they can fold up and go right in her bag. Awesome. So cute. Hair nets. She needed hair nets to match her hair. We got some of these combs to keep in her bag, to like the thin combs, and I like these because I can part her hair with them too. So I got those. And the last thing I got her is a LED makeup light, so we'll pack that with us. What is this? Oh! I thought I ordered like one of these. ordered 3. Did I do that intentionally, or was it a 3-pack? Now I don't know. Anyway, I digress. I mean, I don't know. I thought I ordered 1 like 2-pack, but I've got 3. So that's cool because I use these all the time. And then we got some bobby pins that match Layton's hair color. And this is exciting. I shared this over on Instagram with you guys. I have the gray one, but it's like this cropped Lululemon wannabe scuba hoodie. And I've been really wanting the black one, so that finally came in. So cute. And then last thing is this like tote bag organizer, but I'm gonna have to hold off on this because I bought it for the little Marc Jacobs wannabe tote bag. So that is that. So next thing, we're gonna put all the packaging away. We're gonna hide all the evidence, and I need to change my camera battery because it's yelling at me, and we're gonna pack all of our stuff for competition.
Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it.
All right, Layton's got her bag all packed. Just basic stuff. We did like toothbrush. We just wanted to go through and make sure we had everything. What, honey?
We need to put the stuff in the...
Yeah, we have other stuff that comes in. So we've got hair elastics. We've got a hair brush, gel, the hairspray, the wax stick.
Wait, was this the
makeup wipes? Yep, we got to get another package of those. The hair nets, bobby pins, all that stuff. Eyelash curler. And then, all right, so why don't you go take this,
and put it in my arm.
Put it in your closet with next to your costumes, and put these.
Was this Velcro?
Yep.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like.
All right, so that is it. We got everything we needed to do done. I'm gonna work on the computer a little bit, and then I'm knee deep in this. I read the first book on this, which was hopeless. Now I'm reading Losing Hope. So, and then that's it. We're gonna make nachos for dinner. Super simple and fun. What are you gonna have? You can just have tacos, or I'll make you a quesadilla. So, thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.